Hi, my name is Greg Holdsworth, and in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to activate the PC-DMIS Edge Client for Hexagon SFx asset management. So just a couple of quick topics. Why use the PC-DMIS Edge Client over the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor method? Well, some of our customers are still using the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor to send their CMM status information to their SFx account. If you do this, you might see that your CMM status is not always displayed properly in asset management, displaying a yellow or idle status when it should be green or operating. But if you're using PC-DMIS 2018 R2 or a later version, you have access to a new PC-DMIS interface for sending CMM status information to your SFx account. It's called the Edge Client, and it's a simpler way to ensure the proper CMM status information is reliably sent to SFx. Even better, the PC-DMIS Edge Client sends more kinds of information to SFx than the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor, including error messages from older machine controllers. Best of all, if you have a valid PC-DMIS software maintenance agreement, the new PC-DMIS Edge Client interface gives you access to a whole new set of features in asset management, including, by opt-in, dimensional results information. So I'm going to show you how to activate the Edge Client notifications in the PC-DMIS settings editor, how to check the Edge Client notifications are working locally on the PC before trying to see it on the cloud, how to disable the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor should you need to, and how to activate dimensional data so it can be sent to SFx asset management. Okay, so how to activate the Edge Client notifications with the PC-DMIS settings editor? Well, simply launch the PC-DMIS settings editor for the relevant version of PC-DMIS. I'm using PC-DMIS 2020 R1 in this example, but as previously stated, the Edge Client supports any version back to 2018 R2. Okay, now we're connected to the software. We just use this find button here, so we click that and we're searching for Edge Client notifications. We don't actually have to type all of that, just Edge C will suffice, and then click find next. And here it is, Edge Client notifications, and as you can see it's currently disabled. So I'm going to change this value, the current value is 0, I'm going to change that to a 1 and that will enable it. So then simply click save and close. Okay, the next step is to check that it's actually working. First of all, launch PC-DMIS. Okay, now PC-DMIS is launched. I'm actually going to open a measurement routine that I prepared earlier just for this demonstration. So let's open that up. So next I'm going to check that the Edge Client is actually running. So to do that, you need to go to the local host 5000 screen. There's a couple of ways of doing that. My preference is to go to my web browser and then just type localhost :5000 and then click return. Alternatively, you can access that screen by opening the Pulse software and then clicking the settings icon. As we can see, the PC-DMIS Edge Client interface is now running. While I'm here, I'm going to activate the dimensional data as well, so that can be sent to the cloud because we do this from the same screen. So we simply click this link, PC-DMIS Edge Client interface, and as we can see, the Edge Client itself is enabled here, but the dimensional data is disabled. So to enable this, simply click Edit, tick the box, and click Save. The next thing I'm going to do is to deactivate the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor. Now you can see that down here in the notification area, and you can see mine is currently enabled. So to deactivate that, simply right click on Disable PC-DMIS Monitoring, and then again Disable PC-DMIS Monitoring, and that is complete. So I'm going to go back to my PC-DMIS measurement routine now, and I'm going to execute it. Okay, and now that's running. The last step is to log into your SFx account and check that we have connectivity with the machine. And that's it. As you can see, this is the asset that that's connected to my laptop. So we can see now that the asset is busy, it's operating. We can see that that measurement routine I opened is currently executing. So quick recap. What did we do? First of all, we enabled the Edge Client notifications in the PC-DMIS settings editor, followed by we check the Edge Client notifications are actually working locally on the PC prior to looking on the cloud. Then I activated the dimensional data to be sent to SFx Asset Management. I disabled the Pulse PC-DMIS monitor, and then I checked SFx Asset Management is receiving data from the asset. That concludes this quick video tutorial. If you need any other assistance, please just reach out to your local Hexagon representative.